Hello and welcome to this Carrot Connect installation video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Carrot Connect on a CraftBukkit powered server such that you can use Carrot Connect on your Android phone and control users on your Bukkit server and yeah, stuff like that. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Google Play Store and the Carrot Connect app. You can find this just by searching Carrot Connect in the search bar. You'll see it as we've got the distinctive logo there. So if you scroll down, you'll find in the settings here that we've got this little installation instruction setting. How to install on your CraftBukkit powered server. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open these. And once they're open, you're going to, so this one here, JSONAPI, this is like, this is how the Carrot Connect app communicates with the Bukkit server. And you're going to want to download the version that is corresponding to your version of Minecraft server, or CraftBukkit server. For me, I'm going to download this one, although I've already downloaded them, so I won't do so. But this is for Minecraft 1.7.9, as you see in the description there. The JSON API also has a few dependencies, so it requires that you install Vault. And again, this is just from the link in the Carrot Connect description, and you can select your version here for your CraftBukkit version. And as you see, I've got 1.7.9 there. I've also already downloaded that. And you're also going to need to download ProtocolLib, which is another dependency of the JSON API plugin. And again, there's 1.7.9 there. So once you have all three of those, we'll have them downloaded to your desktop. And so you're also going to obviously need an installation of a CraftBukkit server. I have that here. This is a fresh install. There's nothing here, no plugins or anything. And you're also going to have, here are the three files that we just downloaded off here. So all you really need to do to install it is open the plugins folder of your CraftBukkit server, copy and paste these in, close that, go back to the main thing, and start the CraftBukkit server. This will initialize the plugins and set them up. And once this is finished, JSON API and all of its dependencies are now installed. Again, if you plan to use JSON API through port 20059, you will need to port forward that for it to work. However, Carrot Connect can also operate on port 25565. So if you have 25565 already port forwarded, if you're hosting your Minecraft server at home, then you can just run through that port. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to set up a user and adjust the port if you so want to. So first let's stop this Minecraft server. So what you want to do for this is you want to go into the plugins folder. You'll see that the running of the server has created these new folders which have got the settings and other details for the plugins. So what you want to do is you want to go into JSON API and you'll find this users.yml file. Right, so you want to right click on that, and this is where the users are stored. Right, so this is where the username and password to connect through this, so it's got security so that not just anyone can use Carrot Connect to connect to your server. So you right click on this and you can either open with Notepad, or I'm going to use Notepad++. Once you have it open, it's a YML style format, just like Bukkit permissions. So if you've done some stuff with Bukkit permissions, you'll know this format. It's just got a top root node users, and then we have subnodes, username, which is admin, a password. Obviously you want to get rid of these ones because these are the default ones. If you're only the single user, then the simplest thing you can do is actually just change the username to username, or the username that you want to log in with, and the password you can change to password. And then that will be done for the first one, and you can remove the other version. If you want to add more users, you can do so, just use the same format that's already there. Now what you want to do is you just want to save this file, and then you're done with that file. You have that user set up. If you want to change the port that Carrot Connect can connect to the server on, you'll need to edit the config.yml folder. You'll find in here that there is a port here. This is the port that you can communicate with your CraftBukkit server through Carrot Connect on, or of course, as I stated earlier, you can use port 25565, the same port that the Minecraft server runs on. You can also turn on log to console, so every time someone accesses a command through JSON API, effectively through the Carrot Connect, you can see what they did and the result, and you can also log the file if you so wish. And that's the config. And now that should be all done, and now you are ready to connect with your Carrot Connect. So just start your server up, and it will be all done. Okay, and lastly, we're going to show you how to connect Carrot Connect on the phone with Carrot Connect JSON API plugin on the CraftBukkit server. So first thing you want to do is install Carrot Connect on your phone, and then you're just going to want to open Carrot Connect. You'll be greeted with a screen that asks you for a server name and a server IP, username, password, and a server port. The server name does not affect how Carrot Connect connects to your CraftBukkit server, thus you can just name it whatever you like. It's just for your convenience. I'm going to call mine my server. For your server IP, that is the same IP that you use to connect to Minecraft through the Minecraft client. It can either be a host name such as carrotconnect.net, or it could be a IP address such as mine is, which mine will be 192.168.1.80. Your username will be the username that we defined in the users.yml config earlier. As you saw for our case, this is username. The password is also the password we defined for that user in the config file, which in my case is password. Now the server port. Carrot Connect can work on either 25565, which is the Minecraft port, or 20059. If you altered that port in the config.yml file earlier, then whatever you altered it to be. In my case, I'm going to connect to 20059, as that is what I have my port set to. You'll now want to log in, and it will take a second to communicate with the server, and there you have it. You're now logged in, and this details is coming straight from the CraftBukkit server and is being displayed in Carrot Connect for your convenience. And that is how we set up Carrot Connect to communicate with the CraftBukkit server through the JSON API plugin. Thank you.